Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a super short and a super sweet video. So today's video is going to be about a 2-ingredient only deep conditioning hair mask, and chances are that you probably have both of these ingredients at your house right now. And if you don't, then these ingredients are super easy to find. So yeah, we're gonna get started with this video, but before that, if you guys have not subscribed to my channel, definitely do subscribe. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram. So yeah, now let's get started. So the first ingredient that you need is going to be yogurt. I took about 5 tablespoons of yogurt. And the next ingredient is going to be a conditioner. You can use any conditioner. I use the yellow one by Sunsilk, and I'm going to take about 2 tablespoons of conditioner. So I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of a disclaimer, and that is when you apply this mask, afterwards you're going to feel like your hair is falling off, but it's not actually going to be falling off. What happens is that when we brush our hair, some of the hair, it breaks and it gets tangled in the other hair because it's not silky enough. So after this mask, your hair will be super silky and the broken hairs will slide off. So it's going to look like you have a hair fall situation happening, but it's just old hair that's already broken sliding off. This is what the consistency should look like. And next I'm going to put my hair in a high ponytail. This is probably the least messy method of applying a hair mask that I have found. So basically I'm just going to take a little bit of the hair mask and then apply it starting from the very kind of like top of the ponytail. And the reason that I start from this point is because it's just way less messy like this. And first I'm going to coat the entire ponytail with the mask, and then afterwards I'm going to rub the mask into the hair just so that all of the hair, the entire ponytail, has the mask evenly coated onto it, even the insides of the ponytail. So here you can see I'm doing that. So next I'm just going to wrap the hair around the pony and make a bun basically, and then I'm going to cover it with a plastic. I was going to use kind of like a plastic wrap, but I couldn't find it for some reason. I guess we ran out of it, so I just used like a normal plastic shopper, and then I put a pony on top of it to hold it in place. Now I'm going to let this sit for an hour, and then I'm going to wash it off. And there you have it. Beautiful, shiny, soft, sleek hair. Now full disclosure, the after picture, I have blow dried my hair, and obviously that really helps with the hair looking sleek. But honestly you guys, my hair felt so soft and just really healthy and fluffy. Now here is a bonus clip of me being extra. Yeah, so this is how the hair looks, and it feels really nice too. You probably can't see, but I can feel how soft and instantly just like like fluffy and nice my hair feels. So yeah, this is a super easy 2-ingredient mask, and this works really nicely for my hair. Now I don't suggest that you put it near your scalp, because it's going to flatten your hair, but at the ends and the shafts of your hair, it's going to be really good for those areas. So yeah, that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you did like this video, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.